Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Nice. But it is for Saturday. Not most, but some of the people in our society, especially in India and India-like countries, there is a superstition that they do not consider Saturday a nice day, a fine day, okay? A startable day. But we should not think that, okay? Shanibarabो दिन मोजां, शनिबाराबो दिन मोजां, बारायफोरखौ सानब्रैलाबाय थाबा जाया आरो जायखिजाया देला माने जोङो दिनै जोंनि जे इंलिश ग्रामार क्लास बेखौ जुरिफिनदिनि जोङो दिनै फैबाय past continuous tense uses of the past continuous tense दाखालि जोङो past indefinite tense लादों दिनै जों past continuous tense लानोसै दे बे क्लासखौ अनलाइन क्लासखौ बड'लेण्ड इंखं टेलिभिजनआ एरेन्ज खालामदों आङो कमलाकान्त बसुमतारी गले गले बुंबाय थानाय जायो दे जोङो समखौ आद्रि खालामालासिनो क्लासखौ स्टार्ट खालामदिनि दे पास्ट कन्टिनिउस टेन्सआबो एसे बुरजा इउजेस दङ आं ओरैबायदि सानलायलाङो बुरजा खालामबा बुरजा जायो खम खालामबा खम जायो दे जेखियानो जादोला नाय फार्स्ट इउज the past continuous tense is used to express an action that was continuing. At a given period. At a given period in the past. I have cited this point or this use from Mr. Minto's book. Okay? बेहाय बुंदों मा past continuous tense आ गोदोनि मोनसे समाव रायखांनाय आरो मोनसे गरन्थ सम बा मोनसे रायखांनाय समाव सोलिबाय दंमोन दसे सम बिदिखौ past continuous tense आव फोरमायनाय जायो example I was writing a letter in the morning. I was writing a letter in the morning. Actually, we should say yesterday. Okay? In the morning, yesterday. Or yesterday morning. If we write in the morning, of what morning? Today's morning. So it should be mentioned. Okay. You see here in this sentence the verb pattern. Two verbs. This is principal verb and this is an ing form. ing form. This one auxiliary verb or be verb. Okay. Be verb In what form? PP. Is it? No, PT. Past tense. Past tense. This. BD. Past continuous tense आव verba मोननै जानांगोन. जुदि बे active voice बा verba मोननै जानांगोन. जुदि assertive sentence ब्ला अब्ला subject नि उनावनो be verb मोनसे होनांगौ. Subject नि person आरो number जों गोरोबनानै आरो बिनि उनाव main verb खौ ing महर बा present participle महरखौ लिरनांगौ. हा बेनो आरो बे पेटार्नफोरखौ जोङो मिथिथारनांगौ. verb pattern, tense pattern बेफोर. They were having a lunch. They were having a lunch. They were having lunch at 8:30. At 8:30. 8:30. Say last night. Generally at night, no lunch. It is supper. Okay? Supper. I have written here lunch and last night. However, the verb pattern is this. Here also, two verbs plus ing form, and this one be verb in what this is pt means past tense form. Okay, let us avoid this. No need too many examples. Let us proceed to number 2 uses. Now see, the past continuous tense is used. Past continuous tense is used to express or to describe. Let us write this. Describe. Okay. Describe. To describe two or more past activities. Two or more past activities. Past activities going on or what taking place at the same time, or taking place at the same time. Sometime, often, Usually, okay, usually the conjunction while is used to connect the two clauses. Okay, two clauses, that is, one is principal clause, another one is subordinate clause. And subordinate clause is generally started with while. Okay, this. See the example. While mother was cooking, father was helping her. Two actions, two different actions but continuing at the same time. Mother was cooking, father was helping her. Okay, both are in past continuous tense. See, past continuous tense. Okay, write one more. Gita was dancing while, you see here, while conjunction, it is used in the middle. So no need here, comma, but here, comma, okay, comma. Gita was dancing while Sita was singing. While Sita was singing. This. Okay. Two examples, huh? Two examples. Mandi lo hobai example ko. Number 3. Past continuous tense is used to express a continuing action. A continuing action. A continuing action at some time in the past. when another event took place, when another event took place, the past continuous tense is used to express a continuous action at some time in the past when another event took place. Event took place in the middle or at a time during the work. First work. This example is example. He was sleeping when I saw him. When I saw him फटकरि जानानै थांनाय किन्तु he was sleeping आगोलनिफ्राय नैबे आं नुजासिम सोलिबाय दंमोन आरो बेनि उनावबो आरो बेसे गोबाव उन्दुबावखो बेखौ खोन्थानो रोङा किन्तु आगोलनिफ्राय बे उन्दुबाय थादोंमोन आरो आं नुजासिम उन्दुदोंमोन दे बे नेक्स्ट Sheila was weaving cloth when we visited her. बेयो एसे जोबनाय थोंजों जाबाय आरो बे एसे जोबनाय थोंजों खामानिया बियो सि दागासिनो दंमोन सिलाया जों जेब्ला सौहैयो जों सौहैनानै नुबाय जे सिलाया सि दागासिनो दङ जों सौहैनाय लोगो लोगो हयथ' बे सि दानायखौ बन्द खालामदों नङाबा जोंखौ बारान्दायाव जिरायनो होनानै बे सिखौनो दाबाय थादों बेबादि आरो दे बे नायदो was sleeping was weaving बेबादि ओरैहाय past indefinite tense मोनसे past indefinite tense जायो दे बे मोननै क्लज मोनसे क्लजआव past continuous आरो गुबुन मोनसे क्लजआव past indefinite tense जायो okay then fourth uses produces to indicate the past continuous tense is used to indicate a gradual development, to indicate a gradual development of an action or situation. This. Okay? Gradual development से मैया बेलासियाव खोमसि जादोंमोन आगोलाव खोमसिया एसे खममोन उनाव बारानिफ्राय बारा जानानै फैदोंमोन बे आरो एफा एफा बारानिफ्राय बारा जालांनाय the gradual development बे example it was getting darker. It was getting darker. It was getting darker. The last evening. बेबादि आरो was getting darker. बे was getting ल' darker आलादा बे मा होनो adverb होनो ना adjective होनो darkerखौ darker adjective darker adverb The wind was rising. The wind was rising as the time was passing. As the time was passing. Night. Gradual development. And the last bearing may have believed आरो बे खोमसिनिफ्राय खोमसि जाबोदोंमोन बारानिफ्राय बारा खोमसि जाबोदोंमोन. The wind was rising as the time was passing. समा थांनाय लोगो लोगो बाराबो दावखोनायनिफ्राय दावखोदोंमोन बे आरो okay now use number 5 The past continuous tense is used the past continuous tenses used. The past continuous tense is used to express the past continuous tense is used to express the increase of boiling down or irritation. Actually, the words continually, constantly, always. Usually, the words continually, constantly, always, etc. are used. Example: she was continually asking for money. Okay, this was asking. Here the word continually. Okay, let me write one more. Padma constantly was shouting at him. Okay, this continually, constantly, like this. Okay, one more use. Number 6 use. past continuous tense is used as a past equivalent of the present continuous present continuous tense in narration tense. The past continuous tense is used as a past equivalent of the present continuous tense and narration tense. Okay. If the reporting verb is in past tense, any past tense, it may be past infinite, may be past continuous, maybe past perfect. Okay, let me write the example. He said, I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel. Okay, inverted comma closed. Let us change the sentence from direct to indirect. Okay, now here the reporting verb is in past tense, so this present continuous tense will change to past continuous tense. Okay, he said no object, so it will remain the same. He said that I is first person, so same to subject he of reporting clause. So I will change to he. He said that he. Now present continuous tense will change to past continuous. He was reading a novel. Like this, huh? Like this. If you want one more, let me write this. One more. See, Sir ask me. Sir asks me. What are you doing now? Okay. Interrogative sentence and it is and past continuous. Okay. Now you see. Sir, already the reporting verb is in ask. Sir ask me. Here, this very interrogative sentences double question, so no conjunction is used. So, sir ask me what you same to object. So, object is here, first person, it will turn to, you will turn to I. What I, now this present continuous will change to past continuous. What I was doing now, then. Okay, this is, okay. Later stop here, okay. Later stop here. We shall meet each other again tomorrow. Today's class is up to this. Let us stop here. So, bye.